Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, tropical showers staying in the forecast, more of a nuisance than anything else, but we've had a couple of heavy-duty showers this evening. We'll show you that in just a bit. And moving forward, rain chances to stay with us through early next week, but we do have a front on the horizon, and it's going to feel much better. We'll say about a week from today. How's that go? Maybe 6 days from today. We're not that exact quite yet, but we're thinking we're going to see some good stuff coming on in. Well, we got one over level low out, another one that looks dry is coming in, but this is going to be dropping down to the south, and this is going to tap that deep tropical moisture. We had drier air coming in. You can see storms that were forming up across Cenla this evening. Those really produced some locally very heavy downpours across the area. This is the cell I'm talking about. As it developed during the course of the evening, it produced about 3 inches of rain, I estimated by the Doppler estimates, in about an hour's time across just to the south of the Bunkie area. This cell, though, continues to move up toward LeCount and continues to weaken. Still lingering tropical shower by the Pine Prairie area. This is moving to the north. And remember, this is the area that got the most rainfall from Nicholas, at least in Acadiana, upwards of anywhere between 8 to 12 inches of rain. So another 3 inches tonight. Localized flooding. And somebody did post that on my Facebook page. And thanks so much when you do that. It's great feedback for us and gives us a bellwether on whether we think this cell is producing heavy rain or not. And it certainly was. There was some high water in around portions of northern portions of Acadiana this evening. Now, elsewhere, relatively quiet. We have storms offshore as well. Those storms firing up this evening. Our center of Nicholas, the remnant low, is still in Acadiana. It's somewhere in Vermilion, Acadia, Jeff Davis Parish. It's kind of an elongated low, and this is just about ready to fall apart, but it's still circulating that tropical moisture in the area, and that's why we're going to see pretty decent rain chances over the next couple of days. Deeper tropical moisture out in the Gulf not doing a whole lot. We get into the rest of the Atlantic basin, and there are a couple of trouble spots that the Hurricane Center continues to monitor. One off the Carolinas that has about a 70% chance of developing over the next couple of days, but that's going to be moving off generally to the northeast. Another cell that's out here, a disturbance in the eastern Atlantic, has a 70% chance of developing. Mind you, we started yesterday and the day before at a 90% chance of this developing, so the odds of development a little bit lower. The Atlantic not really turned on in spite of being the peak of hurricane season. The planetary wave pattern not supporting tropical activity, but we still had a low-end Category 1 hurricane in the northwestern Gulf, so it doesn't mean that we're not going to see additional activity, but the bottom line, nothing threatening the Gulf of Mexico for now, although we'll see deep tropical moisture persisting. That's going to add to the rain chances, especially eastern Gulf of Mexico, but locally we'll be in the 60% range, 80% as you head toward the Florida beaches. But what we will be watching for sure come the middle part of next week, drier, cooler air moving in, and that's going to supply us with a nice break from the humidity, bring our temperatures down, and overnight lows back down into the lower 60s, perhaps upper 50s. So as we head into tomorrow, again, a mixture of clouds and some breaks in the clouds, and tomorrow during the day, a sun and cloud mix, but we'll see tropical showers once again dominating on and off. Again, more of a nuisance than anything at all, as long as they keep moving, and the same goes into Saturday, although the model getting a little bit more perturbed Saturday morning, especially over southeastern Louisiana, but we'll see that scattered activity continuing. As for rainfall, most of us should get less than an inch of rain on any of the rains over the next 2 days, but notice over towards southeast Louisiana, some locally heavy rainfall, still a possibility in spots, 2 to 3 inches of rain, where those storms are going to be a little bit more prevalent. So lingering tropical showers tonight, 76 the low. I got rain chance down to 30%, 60% for tomorrow. Temperatures topping out at 86, 87 degrees. We managed to get 90 today, so that could happen again, but clouds dominating for the most part, but intervals of clouds and sun. Same goes for your Sunday, your Monday, your Tuesday, but here comes the front, and here comes cooler temperatures. How about highs near 80, maybe even upper 70s, and overnight lows for a couple of nights, upper 50s to lower 50s. So look